So the very first thing that you see here, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tania Estelle. Yes, I am back again with another video. Yay! And a new hairstyle, as you can tell. It has officially been a month since I've been in my new place. Theme is like coastal farmhouse. I'm trying to get there slowly but surely, but it's getting done. So today's video, so Tania sells everything faith, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you know you like that type of content, why not join the fam, right? So, but other than that, thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, see the project that you've seen at the beginning of the video. It's going to show you how you can do that. All from Dollar Tree, okay? Because all about living frugally. Plant. This tin is from Dollar Tree. These are fern plants here that you see. So the very first thing that you see here is the plant. Everything from the little foam piece, the tin can, and the fern leaves are all Dollar Tree, sorry, 99. And I also brought some floral moss to add a little naturalness to it. So what I'm going to do is just shake it on to cover all of that foam and spread it with my hands, which you're going to eventually see, and distribute it evenly so that it can look like very natural and organic. I'm your work of art. Not least is this, I'm just going to add in some seashells just to add that coastal vibe I was going for. I know I could add more. You're shaping my heart. You carve every detail. And eventually it's going to come in due time, so I am no rush for that. But the thing is, I want to go in detail of my testimony video of how God brought me here, and yeah, I'm super excited about this new adventure in my life. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Tania Estelle.